Nearly 24 wildfires are burning out of control across California. Overnight, police went door to door telling homeowners to leave Sonoma County as the next wave of flames approaches their communities. Greg Mills reports from Santa Rosa.
Huge flames raced up and down hillsides in Northern California overnight, destroying everything in the way, including David Arnwine's home in Squaw Valley.
It was all around my house, and I thought, oh, the helicopters are here and everything, and then all of a sudden, there goes the house. It was gone.
Flames devoured a Kmart store here in Santa Rosa, and all firefighters could do was watch it burn. Fire officials say 22 large fires are burning across the state, and they still don't have the upper hand.
We are in this fight for the long haul. It's going to continue to get worse before it gets better.
The wind is the biggest concern today for firefighters. Wind gusts are expected to reach about 45 miles per hour. That'll leave entire communities in the crosshairs of the wildfire.
Any change in these winds and it's pushing the fire right through this dry grass towards homes.
Aerial footage showed a mail truck driving through a neighborhood that is completely gone.
It's heartbreaking. It is crushing. This looks like another planet.
More than 20,000 people have been evacuated, and many aren't sure if they'll have a home to come back to. Greg Mills, CBS News, Santa Rosa, California.
And so far, the fires have destroyed 3,500 homes and businesses.